Yeah. It's a remix right here. Birdman, Lil Wayne, Young Money, Cash Money, featuring your boy Young Blizzard. 5 Face for the remix. Let's go, Deanie, baby. Let's get it.
Fire flame, fire flame,
yeah.
Fire flame, fire flame.
Bitch, we the business. Wayne. Birdman. Yeah. Okay. The remix. Yeah. I'm about to get him, my niggas. Alright. You ready? Fuck them other niggas. Go and get the paper. Big money, nigga. Y'all shit small like some razors. I'm fresh off in my blazer and my fucking Chuck Taylors. All green suit with some motherfucking gators. Lime green Gucci. Yeah, I rockin' Louis. Swag surfing, nigga. You would think it was a movie. Chillin' in jacuzzi. Chillin' with some groupies. They all like dick, but all like coochie. Yeah. And get it how you live it, and live it how you get it, but I get it how I live it. I'm chillin' with some bitches, just trying to get some digits. They all giving me ass, but hell, I don't even want it.
Fire flame, fire flame, fire flame, fire flame.
We the business, cause bitch, we the business. Tell them hoes.
Fire flame, fire flame, spitter.
Yeah.
Fire flame, fire flame.
Bitch, we the business.
$100 million.
Okay, let's go. Rockin', cockin', squeezing hammers. Bangs niggas like a bandana. I split their head like a banana. It's trouble when you fuck with danger. Northside nigga entertainment. Fuck nation is what I'm claiming. D&E is what I'm banging. Drug dealer, dope singing. Big nigga money making. All these other niggas hating. Fuck around with me, that 4-5-10 you in the fucking Play-Doh. Dictators and masturbators and perpetrators, I'll see you later. I will see you later. Yeah. I kill any nigga that wanna diss. Bitch, I turn your whole crew into fucking banana splits. I split your ass in two like a twist. YUNGBLIZARD, bitch, let's go.
Fire flame, fire flame,
yeah.
Fire flame, fire flame.
Bitch, we the business, cause we the business. To them hoes.
Fire flame, fire flame,
yeah. Remix.
Fire flame, business, $100 million. Bitch, we the business, $100 million.
I'm that boy Young T, y'all know who I be, holding it down on the street. And I stay with the heat. T-Rich, tell them, don't fuck with me. Look, pussy nigga, I am on my grind. I don't waste time. I stay with the 9, money on my mind. Watch what you say, cause I don't play. I get the AK and let it spray. Yes, I'm young, I stay with the pump. You don't want none, you hear me chump. Bitch, I let my gun spit and you'll get hit. Collapse your hips for running your lips. And I don't even give a shit. Young BLIZA already, hell yeah, I just killed the shit. I'm wrecked, let me murk it in the street. Hell yeah, it's him, Blizzard B. Mr. AKA, I leave an AK clip empty.
Fire flame, fire flame,
yeah.
Fire flame, fresh off fire flame,
we the business.
$100 million, bitch, we the business, $100 million.
What you talking about?
Fire flame,
yeah. Remix, Young Blizzard.
Fire flame, bitch, we the business, $100 million, bitch, we the business, $100 million.
Yeah, nigga. D&E. Orange flag, nigga. Red flag.